Come on, you're in the way.
Mom, you gotta do the whole thing again.
Oh, come on now.
Yeah.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Because of the wonderful things he does. I'll get you, my dearie. Oh no! It's the Wicked Witch of the West! Ah! There's no place like home. There's no place like home. I still can't get there. Ah! There's some water! Water! I'm thirsty. Oh, yay! You're turning around like this. Oh, yay! If I only had a brain. There's no place like home. There's no... Where'd Dorothy go?
Oh, that's so cute.
The end.